I want to make an object show, but I don't know anyone who wants to participate. I guess I will just take this car to go and find some objects. Yeah, want to know something collided? You know, I really couldn't care less about you.
What are you doing to me? Just saying how late you are.
That was cool, you should have followed. I wish I was cool like you.
You're just as cool as me, in my opinion. Do you wanna do something? No, it hurts.
I see what you did, Clemmy. Anyway, I'm off for a run. Watch out for the bumpy road. That was a bumpy road. You drove over 2 ambulances and 5 civilians. Hey, get in here, you orange guy. I'll give you a protein shake. So I promised a protein shake.
Oh my god. This play is sleeping. On the video so I can become a major hindrance to him.
Today is quite nice, but what if it isn't later? Wait, how am I a marker? That doesn't make sense. I didn't even know who I am. Wait, what's that? Hey, does anyone want to keep count of how many civilians I run over? Hey, shut up. The volcano's erupting. Drive faster. Now is the perfect time to make teams. Make 4 teams of 3. Well, there's actually 13 of us, but but okay. I mean, Marka just died of death. I'm gonna be on your team to make sure you treat Marka nicely. I'm gonna assume you wanna be with me because I'm so amazing. It's nice you see yourself in a positive light.
I'll join you because you can carry me out. I mean, because you're cool.
Yeah.
I will grab another teammate. Oh, plus, emulator. 100% teammates.
Yes, 100% teammate. Hi, can I join? Yes. Someone took my plaster, so my blocks fell out. How about you guys become a big team?
Go away, Diary.
Well, that was rude. Are you okay, Diary? The team rejected me, but it's nice knowing that I'm not the only one in a team. Can we join your team? Should they join our team?
Yeah! Time to start the challenge. But we need team names. We can name the teams later. Team for all the members to follow in lava loses. Sabotage and encourage. Start. Vote who you want to save in the comment section.